Hey guys, welcome to my channel The Child. Today I'm going to do book suggestion for the age group right from 1.5 to 11 years. Okay, so for my son, I started reading to him when he was around 6 months. I started showing lot of pictures, and it was very encouraging. It was very motivating when we see the child responding and naming those pictures right from the age 1.5 2 years, right now. When my son was introduced to the phonics, okay, as soon as he was introduced to the phonetics, I started searching for books based on phonetics. First one like the Catnap, Pen Pals, Red Gets Fed, But the Sub. Okay, all this based on phonetics. If you take these books, it is mostly on short a, short a, short a, short a. Okay, I'll just turn 3 pages in this book. A cat nap. Okay, so this will be mostly based on the a sound. Tab is a fat cat. Tab naps in a bag. Tab naps and naps. Sam is a man. So all this based on a sound. So if you search for phonetics related books, you will be getting this. These are very small books. Okay, see, less than 10 pages. And then I started reading books which has so much of repetition. Okay, see, if you read this book, have you seen the crocodile? You can see this sentence, will be keep repeating in all the pages. Have you seen the crocodile? Asked the parrot. No, said the dragonfly. Have you seen the crocodile? Asked the parrot and dragonfly. So over a period of time, what happens, the child, they themselves will start telling about the sentence. They might not know to read, they might not know about the phonetics also. That is the the advantage of reading such books. Repetition creates that magic. Then I started reading books like Bubble series. All this is from Sterling publication, just 40 rupees. See, this is 30 rupees. I got all this in a book exhibition. Bubbles is careless, Bubbles owns up, Bubbles is lost, Bubbles goes to school, Bubbles is honest, Bubbles finds a red ball, Bubbles has a toothache, Bubbles the artist, Bubbles is greedy, Bubbles plays with fire. So this is all about value education as well. Then I got this Pepper series of books. Pepper brushes his teeth, Pepper learns to take turns. This book helped my son know on how to take turns, what is the advantage of taking turns, because when we force them to share, they feel very difficult because they have that sense of possession. But this book helped him to understand what it is all about taking turns. Then we got many such books from Amar Chitra Katha. Okay, the publication is Amar Chitra Katha. Okay, if you go to amarchitrakatha.com, you will get a lot of these books. And if you see these books, only 70 rupees. The Mouse Merchant, Ganesha, Choice of Friends, Tales of Shiva, Tales of Arjuna. My son he's very fond of Ganesha, so that is why I got this book. Later on, I got books from Tulika publication. Okay, so this will cost you right from 100 to 120, 115 rupees. Okay, so my son was finding very difficult with Tamil, so I got books like this. Okay, so every sentence, no, it will be in English as well as in Tamil. See this, just 2 lines are there. It will be there in English as well as in Tamil. So all this collection from Tulika publication, 100 to 130 rupees. Lie Lie the Baby Elephant, Where Did It Go, The Rooster and the Sun, Little Anbu, Para Para Party Erumbu, Bhimrao Ambedkar. I want him to read about Ambedkar, so I get this book. See the title, Yen Endru Ketta Siruvan, Priyavin Orunal, The Birdie Post, No Vendam, Follow the Ants, Balu's Basket, Monday to Sunday, The Village Fair, Gudu's Photo, Where is Gola's Home, Ari, or Paraviyai Nesitha Malai, Parapadarku Siragugal, Work, and the last one here is I Am So Sleepy. So all this from Tulika publication. Okay, and these are my favorite. All this we got from Pratham publication, prathambooks.org. Just 30 rupees. See, just 30 rupees. Okay, and the last one is 35 rupees. Gulu, the circle, Nayana and the not so scary owl, Subbu, the signal, hot tea and warm rugs, little painters. So if you see all these books, the number of pages must be around less than 30 or less than 20 to 30 pages. Okay, and I got these books from a very small bookshop from Mylapore. Only 40 rupees. All this just 40 rupees. And Manoj publication, they have a website, manojpublications.com. Again Tamil, Rajuvum avanadu erudum Mandirappanai Yanayum Aru Kurudargalum Singathin Kelvi Apil Maram. Okay, and then my son, when he was around 8 years, he wanted to read, he wanted to know about Ramayana. So I got the series of books. So this is, I got this whole thing for 1500 rupees. Series of books. Aranya Kanda, Kishkinda Kanda, Yuddha Kanda, Ayodhya Kanda, and Sundara Kanda and Bala Kanda. Now he is very much familiar with Ramayana, and now he wants to get me the next series of books from Mahabharata. Okay, so having said all this, I hope I have introduced about this Amar Chitra Katha. So as I've told you, this comes for 70, 90, 80 rupees like that. Okay, and I got when he was around age 2 to 6, I got him the magazine's Magic Pot. It's a weekly magazine, and you need to pay yearly subscription. For I think I paid 500 to 600 rupees, I believe. And this one, Highlight Champs, this is for 6 to 12 years. For 2 to 6 years also they have magazine that is called Highlight Genius. So Highlight Genius is for 2 to 6 years and Highlight Champs is for 6 to 12 years. All this is from Delhi publication. If you search for Delhi publication, you can see all their books. And I want my son to read Tamil even more fluently, so I got him these magazines, Tumbi. Okay, for yearly I think I am paying 400 rupees, and for Highlight Champs I am paying 350 rupees as an yearly subscription amount. So this is for the age group 2 to 10-11 years. Again I have 2 more racks of books which I will show you in the next video. So if you find this video is very helpful, please share with your friends, because when it comes to language, the enrichment of vocabulary is the first step. Okay, it could be any language. You could be introducing Tamil, English or whatever language, but the first step should be enrichment of vocabulary. Around 4 years writing and around 4.5 it's reading. Okay, so for enrichment of vocabulary we can read lots of books to them, and also we can encourage them to read. Okay, sometimes like my son finds difficult with 6 letter 7 letter words, so I used to tell him like try to read at least like 3 to 4 letter words. Okay, so if, like when we were about to hit the bed, I used to ask him, go and get the books you would like to read. So he go and choose. Okay, whatever books he wants to read, he will be choosing the books from the bookshelf, and I kept the bookshelf such that it is very accessible for him right from his 2 years. So if you like it, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.